Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at Filecoin, which is currently up 9.2% over the last 1 week. We're seeing signs of life in the altcoin market. All coins are pumping front, left, and center. We'll look at Filecoin's performance against the US dollar. How high can Filecoin go over the next few days and the next few weeks? Are we ready for that pump towards all-time highs? We'll also look at Filecoin's performance against Bitcoin, Filecoin's performance against Ethereum. Then we'll look at Filecoin's market cap. There's still extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. What would that mean for Filecoin holders? How long should we hold some Filecoin? We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Filecoin still trades around $0.98 with a market cap of $761 million as market cap. Filecoin's total supply sits at 1.95 billion tokens. We have 777 million of those tokens in circulation. For context sake, guys, Filecoin's all-time high happened on the 1st of April 2021. Filecoin went to as high as $237. Right now it's down 99% from its all-time highs. It's not just Filecoin, guys. A lot of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market are down bad from their all-time highs, Filecoin included. If you look at Filecoin's performance over the last few weeks, it's been nothing to write home about. It's been a trip down to Goblin Town. But then again, we're seeing sentiment slowly improve in the cryptocurrency market. We're seeing market participants still in extreme fear, but prices is currently rising slowly but slowly. And that's how all great pump starts. All great pump starts with that little pump to the upside, where a lot of market participants are still pessimistic, where there's still extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. But you can clearly see smart money is buying, getting ready for one peak pump to the upside. We look at Filecoin's performance against the US dollar since the 6th of February 2026. We have been tight in a range. We've seen Filecoin go to as high as $1.08, but then again, we've seen it dump to as low as $0.778, and we've been in that range for more than 70 days right now. I believe at any point in time, Filecoin will be ready to make its next big move to the upside. Just like we talked about in the previous video, very, very important levels to watch. It's going to be above that $1 level when Filecoin start getting towards $1.2. That's going to be very, very critical for Filecoin. The last time we saw Filecoin trading here was in January of 2026. Since then, we had a trip down to Goblin Town. Now, a lot of these altcoins are down bad, Filecoin included. A lot of them has lost so much value over the last 1 year. Filecoin is down 59% over the last 1 year, and rightly so. The altcoin market has been beaten. We have seen extreme fear grip the cryptocurrency market for majority of the last 365 days. But one thing that has paid off long term in the cryptocurrency market has been buying during periods of extreme fear. Right now, we're in one of those periods of extreme fear. Right now, the general consensus in the cryptocurrency market is that we're going to see lower prices. But if you look at the fear and greed index since February, we've slowly seen sentiment improving, even though we're still stuck in periods of extreme fear. Sentiment has been slowly improving. Right now, there's still extreme fear in the market. Last week there was extreme fear. Last month there was fear. I expect to see some greed back in the market in no time. The mantra is always to buy low and to sell high. The mantra is to buy when there's fear in the market and to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. And right now, there's still some fear in the market, but right now, we are slowly going to see good vibes returning back to the cryptocurrency market. The stock market has fully recovered. Stock indexes are back at all-time highs. I expect the cryptocurrency market to join over the next few days and the next few weeks. Another key level to watch out for Filecoin is around the $3.3 level. If you look at what Filecoin has done over the years, that $3.3 level is going to be very, very pivotal. From where we're currently trading, Corralio by 237% to get to that $3.3 region. A lot of these altcoins are so down bad that even if Filecoin pulls up a 10x pump, we'll just see it rallying back to where it was trading in March of 2024. It was Filecoin trading in March of 2024. Filecoin was trading around $10 region. And that looks far-fetched right now. Filecoin gets into $10, that looks very outrageous. Filecoin gets to $10, we're going to see about a 900+% move to the upside. But that's where Filecoin was trading in March of 2024. Since March of 2024, I've seen Filecoin down by more than 90%. A lot of altcoins are very, very volatile. That's why I like the altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. Yes, there's always that possibility that they keep dumping to Goblin Town. They're very, very volatile to both directions. They can easily dump to Goblin Town, but the inverse is also true. We can see them pumping to higher prices at the click of a button. So don't be shocked to see Falcon pull up that big 900% move towards $10. Maybe we'll get rejected there. Maybe we'll find heavy resistance there. But that's the next big move I expect to see Falcon pull in the coming days and the coming weeks. Now, if you look at Falcon's performance against Bitcoin, I expect it to also outperform Bitcoin. That has been my long-standing plan for Falcon. I expect to see Falcon pull up 300, even as high as a 700% move against Bitcoin over the next few weeks and the next few months. That theory comes from a lot of market participants right now selling their Bitcoin back into the altcoin market. When the market stays going, a lot of market participants start fleeing from Bitcoin. Take a look at what Falcon has done over the last 1 week, up 9%, Bitcoin is up 3.5%. I believe the more we see gains in the altcoin market, the more we see that exodus from Bitcoin straight into altcoins like Filecoin. Filecoin's performance against Ethereum also is down bad, but just like its performance against Bitcoin, I'll be expecting a big pump to the upside around a 300 to a 500% pump, maybe even up to a 1000% pump to the upside. Filecoin has been dumping to Goblin Town since March of 2021 against Ethereum. And we have to pay attention to Filecoin's market cap. Very, very important, guys. You don't have to just pay attention to the US dollar price chart. Filecoin's market cap. We saw Filecoin's market cap getting to as high as $4.8 billion in December of 2024. For us to return back to that price region where Falcon is trading in December of 2024, we need to see it pump by around 536%. And for it to get back to where we're trading in March, we need to see 715% pump to the upside. And just like we talked about in the previous video, for it to rally back to the previous all-time highs to get to that $12 billion level, we need to see Filecoin rally up by more than 1,500% from where it's currently trading. The 1,500% pump for Filecoin from where it's currently trading will see Filecoin rally up to as high as around the $16 level. It's a strong resistance there for Filecoin, and that's nowhere near Filecoin's all-time high. And that's why it's very important to look at the market cap chart. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. Are you buying Falcon right now? Do you believe that retracement rally is coming? Do you believe we're going to see that big, big pump to the upside? How high do you see Falcon going in 2026? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.